Hi, this is your girl Araya Hope, and if you're new to the Richard Brown Films, please subscribe and hit that notification bell.
If you never know, now you know. We not only do movies, we do any form of photo and videography service at Richard Brown Films. And if you have family members that can't attend your event, we will live stream it for you. So if you're in need of a professional video or photographer, reach out to us, man. Our number is on the screen, and you'll have a chance to meet some of your favorite actor and actresses at your event. So reach out to us, man, Richard Brown Films, and we can provide professional photo and videography service for you.
What is it that I'm feeling? At just the thought of your smile, I thought I was dreaming, or swept away for a while. But if this isn't love, then love isn't true. What else explains the way I feel as I'm thinking of you? This must be love, or love isn't true. Nothing else explains what I'm feeling for you. This must be real, or nothing else is. Nothing else explains the way that I feel. Stared at 1,000 faces, but still I've seen only one. The curve of your lips and the spark in your eyes have left me undone.
What you doing, man?
We like it.
You like me? Not?
Yes.
You see too small. Your head so damn big. I joke me I make. What go on? You alright?
Yeah, me alright.
What you up to, my daughter?
So that day you have a barbecue to Miss Sonia's son Kevin?
Miss Sonia, so. No, sir. Remember, so me there work every day. And I not even know where I go on. I'm not feeling like me, you know, because I'm not really about like, no fear where I go on.
Here say in there ball going play football and in kick the ball for barbecue car and him and his friend name beat him up. In there hospital right now.
Then a little boy just left school. Then big man they did.
Beat him up, me tell you, beat him up bad till he in the hospital.
Yo, that the bridge in the barbecue, no man. I'm going to have him there, no man. Boy, look here. Let me talk to you anyway. Because, you know, me have a little talk them, me I go tell them. You see, where you're born, then you don't have no control over. And this a era, yeah, I give me opinion, good. Good for a young girl. Because if you want to stay in here, it's hard for you to come out. We not disrespect nobody, but you want better in your life. And to me, I don't think I want to stay much here, so I go try to find a way where it make you left as a man. Because, this, all I go on in as a man, this I just hold on. You need to elevate and come out. And I get trapped in a system like me.
And that's why I talked to Araya on the phone yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
And she tell me say as soon as she bust come I talk to her. And she said as soon as she bust she want to get me out.
Oh, she's a talk about that
Yeah,
too?
she want to help get me
That
out.
good man. But why must I keep my finger crossed? Because she's a very good artist. I'm not telling a lie.
Yeah.
I'm just a hope for you best because I swear I don't want you to stay in yourself. I don't want you to stay in yourself. You understand me? People like you have to elevate, you have to come out. You have to come out of here. Nothing good, not really. Well, things good come out of it. But you can't get trapped in the system. That's what I want for you. So what you say now? She said when she bust, she gonna take you.
Yeah.
I hope to God it happen. But even if it not happen with she, I gonna find a way to get you out. Because you can't stay here. You can't stay there, so trust me.
So yo, give them one sunshine and one of the Excelsior and a holiday deck. So they want one sunshine, one of that there, one of that there. So I'm tell you, say, you see the cashier in there?
Mm.
Cashier, nice, you know, dog.
So this is good man. I always a chat about you.
Brother, I tell you, say, it's a nice little slim ass, brother. Yeah, I tell you, say, me I get them the girl, brother. Put them on me hand, dog. Not even look upon them or touch them, just figure it. Focus, man. Focus. I pull it where she come from. Me can tell you everything about her.
What? What you talking about?
Brother, I pull it in around this so she come from, brother. Them the girl, eh?
But brother, you not even hear me say no.
But me see her look like you're gone in one different world a while ago.
You know her?
Me don't know her personally, you know, but me know where she come from. Around this, I don't know normal place, brother. Let me tell you that. I done run around this, so. And they done them around this, so. Them man, they make sure say, yo, no outside man can't come around this so and get the girl, them, brother.
But brother, that not have nothing to do with me. Me no business about man.
Yeah, but the girl, remember, you know, woman make man stray, you know, dog. Let me tell you that, you know. So imagine she tell herself, go look for him. You gone around there, not even know which part you're there.
Brother.
And look, the man then pull up on you, brother, what you gonna do? If you even do get one from around there, you know, just know, say, are you and some man around there deal with it. You hear me, I tell you?
Brother, first thing, a first time think them that, brother. Nobody now do this there again.
All right.
And nobody not own no woman. Me see her, she look nice.
All right, I can show you line still, but just put a box to us, okay?
Brother, we ask you no make no sense, cause first thing, no man not own no woman.
All right, so I'm going to feature a little slimmers in here, so.
What's going on, Alia?
What's on, Ben?
So the sun at your front. You good?
Yeah, I'm alright.
We are right here. So I first come down here, you sit down.
I'm up on my break.
Oh, come on down here now. I'm a little busy, you know.
So what's going?
Nothing at all. I'm pass by. I'm going to NTB. I'm set up my stop at. Check my phone.
Yeah, work?
No, I'm not work with
What
me.
you mean I need to work? Cause my boss a look workers.
I don't need a job because I'm in the dandy. I don't need no money.
And that's fine.
Well, I need money, but not, you know. I
Alright.
need to spend the boy money.
Okay.
So no, not offer me no more work. I tell you something, bro.
Alright.
So all things.
Things good.
You're still single. Who are you? No, I say you're just boring. Nothing not go on. No, you're just there. Give me some money. Like go you there work every day and you don't have no man to spend it on. Anyway, smell come good at NTV. You can give me one. Oh, yeah, it's all I'm taking you.
Me
Take
call
care.
you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Benz, this a problem.
Yo, I pray.
Road.
Yo.
Yo, man, dog, I chop. Good. Yeah, dog.
Buy a new machine.
Yeah, dog, buy a brand new machine, you know, come, you know, been a walk, you know.
So you buy a new bike and I don't know about it.
So, I mean, boss, I can't buy a bike.
Dan, you thought the things behind my back, Dan.
No, you're mad. So, me there go link you, I clean off the bike for go link you, bro. So, you walk, how you bike there? How go on?
Young man, I not go always upon my bike. Differently, you know. I know, say one more year run him, man. So right now, I want different be me happy right
How
now.
am I
So,
to make you run him,
worry
myself?
about that, man.
True,
I
me
see
don't
your
need to walk,
B,
you know.
I see your B with one nice slimmers. I take an interest into. So more you make your B run a program and tell her for forward a foot, you know. Tell her for check.
At least thing that, man, boss, when you talk
Know
about,
that,
man,
man.
you know, say at least that.
Know
When you
that,
say
man.
rah,
What differently, you know, than me, I like surprises, you know.
yo, next time me make you know, man. Me not do that. You
You know,
see?
right way that,
Yeah, man.
right way that, you know.
True.
Wipe off your bike, man, you see me?
You know where you're heading, yo. I talk to my girl Benson and make sure know a full ratio. You see it?
That is it.
You know say Allah.
Alright, do
Big
your
up
right thing.
yourself, you know.
Yeah, man, I wait, you know.
Yeah, I hurry up and clean a car. Yeah, I don't even know if some boy will reach out and say, "Knock a problem, me ready for create, you know."
Hey,
Um,
no. Where are you with?
there, man, just go on easy, you know, and I look out to me head.
Okay. You good?
Me good, man, you good?
You alright?
Where the pan?
No.
You know, not hot, block.
Yeah, me
And when you tell me that,
the plan to come up there later. May I just get some stuff and come over.
alright, then that sound good. Anyways, you must slip me, you know. Yeah, me done I go on to your friend, you know.
Which
Tell it.
friend?
Now you look a friend way up and down with, man. You done retired.
I can't do that.
What do you mean I can't do that? Don't ever tell me can.
I can't do
I
that.
know that say enough to tell me can. What you tell me? Say?
I no want it or mixed up in a...
Listen to me. Think before you say things to me. Listen to me. So, you go tell your friend, say, yo, me done want her and she have to go link up. Listen me. I'm have to go link up.
Let me tell you something. Only because of you when me go bring the message. You hear? Because you see barbecue them and nobody to play with. And when something go wrong, what then go do to her? What go happen?
Nothing happen to your friend. Me I make sure say your friend good too. I'm tell you, me I make nothing deal. Me tell you this. And I ask you. I tell you. You need to get it done. Listen me. I don't want you go for your things, you know. So then you can go up, you know, say, do the do, beat up it.
Excuse me. I can talk to you. Hi.
Hi,
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Alia.
Earlier, nice to meet you. My name is Michael. You know, say, me this year, the other day, that Peter seal over Blue Supermarket. And
Okay.
from this year, you know, say, I think me like you. And would I love to get to know you.
Really? You don't say.
Oh man, me think you look nice and would I love to get to know you.
Okay.
So me can get a number.
Me not give up my number.
Alright, then you can take my number then.
Okay.
2632 1211. So it was nice meeting you.
Okay, you too.
And you can call me, man.
Okay.
It was nice seeing you again.
Mm-hmm.
Girl, what?
Yeah, you can't come in, you know?
Dumb, alright. You good?
Yeah. You good?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I talk to nobody.
What you mean?
Yeah, I talk to somebody.
No.
Oh, that's good because it done. Like he see me on the road one day and I say, well, I want to get to know you. I say, yeah, I'm a friend, so you know me can set a link.
What you mean the Dan want get to know me?
Listen, if me no want to set a link and I want to go against it, I done wait about somebody. Could really hold him message and not tell you because you know, say the done. But a good part is enough to worry about it because you know me and a friend a link right. So you see if just give me a talk and you know.
Girl. Right now, me want left out of this community and you tell me say the Dan want to talk to me?
What wrong if you left? You have transportation. Which part you gonna move go? Me I tell you, I don't know it out of reach.
Mm-mm.
Let me know.
Like, me no feel, me can't date nobody in the community. Me no want date nobody in the community.
Why not you better than the boy them in the community?
Me nah say me better than nobody, right?
So what
It's just that I just want to leave. Me not really like the whole. Me just want to leave. Me nah say me better than nobody. Nah say
Alright,
that.
fine. I understand you wanting to leave, but that not stop you from talking to somebody in the community.
Me just be honest with you, right? Me nah say me better than nobody in the community. Me just not like how they done around the place. Me not like the whole nobody no need fear get hold on and attack. They independent. Be independent for yourself. You done just around the place and a boss of people. Me not like that. Me not like that. Me not really into that. So me not feel like date nobody in the community because me not want no problem with nobody. If you understand what me I say.
So you run from problem.
Problem me I run
So
from.
you are run from problem and you feel like it's wise to talk to somebody outside of the community?
Me just tell us me not talk to nobody. So
Yeah, but you basically say if you were to talk to someone, it would have be externally. How that you wanting peace? Me confused. You don't want a peace, that's all? You understand what I say?
yeah,
You know why then? A barbecue we talk about. We not talk about my man or little man them on the back and we talk about the Dan. You understand what I say?
you see what me I
So
say?
that's why I said earlier, say even if me do want all the information, me can't really. All the information me have to pass it on. So just to make you know, this is a one trick right now, because when you start pushing more, what go happen?
You see what me I talk about? Me no want none of this. Me no want in of that.
So better you give him a talk and then you know than fear hide him out. You know we live in about us this, yeah? About us this.
Girl, they done alright. Me just a focus on myself and getting out of here. You understand? The done is 3 times my age. When me a do it old man.
You better hold in your mouth when you say that. You think this funny, not you? You know what? You see, as a friend, does you know say Ben's deliver a message. You hear? Do you hear earlier?
Yeah, me hear what you
So you
say.
say a good and thing.
Yeah, I'm alright. Everything good.
Well, me just come to deliver the message till later.
Alright.
You should say, alright.
Why you look for me so?
No, nothing.
They say only one box you're supposed to get.
Yeah.
Nice to see you again.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay.
So you know call me.
But tell you the honest truth, I completely forgot. Never remember. My bad, I'm sorry.
Really no.
Yeah.
You just keep my number as a souvenir.
Me, I tell you, I never remember.
So we get your number now. Can't care upon one date and we can't get to know each other.
Okay, yeah. That good.
So make sure say when I call you answer, you know.
Yeah.
Alright. Nice seeing you again.
Alright.
Come here.
Wagwan. Why you?
Yeah, come in, man. I say we have other shop to go deliver, man. So me I tell about the girl where you turn up and talk to a while ago.
Wagwan.
What you mean, Wagwan? Who that?
I just, me and him a talk, we know nothing.
Yeah. Yeah,
Just
him a talk.
casually speaking. Nothing more.
Wait, oh, you're so brave. I don't want to know. Oh, you're so brave.
What you mean?
You call barbecue already?
You never give me the number, and even if you give me the number, I wouldn't call it.
You don't get it because you never want it. You feel like you should have found some means to reach out to him.
Why?
No, me feel like I take this for joke, Make me look. You know, say, at the community this, where they done run, like, mostly, And you brave enough to send up beside chat to man?
And I work. Him a work.
Work,
Never
what work?
call him and say, link me up here, so.
Me feel like, You don't love your life, not true. You don't want to live. Eh? You don't want to live.
When me talking to a
Let me
boy,
ask you one question. You never casually walk on the road yet and one boy say psst and you turn him down and start cussing off and tell him about how you're ugly and dirty. That never yet happened to you. So you don't feel like so when you turn down your man, it's go aggravate him and make him want to do something to you. You're not afraid of that. No, talk it truth. You're not threatened. No, you don't feel no way.
girl, all me a worry about. Me not really worry. All me a think about is coming out of this community.
You're not worried
Whether
about
the
this.
dad,
Shut up. Me and you are friends, and if you do something to you, me go feel one way. You understand? Especially for the facts that me know all of what going to happen. You giving me a say?
what go happen?
What go happen? It is the since as I know what we done, and you know your community, you don't know what going on. Nothing not happen. No, sir, nothing not happen. Chat to who you are chat to, you see? And enjoy life in the community where they done live. Okay, Alia? Okay?
Okay, yeah, I'm here. Later.
Jesus.
The girl where you turn up at talk to a while ago. Girl where I chat to you know. That the girl that they down there in the community there, no, man. Not normal, no, man. I swear.
You mean a sore?
You don't know what I mean when I mean I swear.
What she did with one bad man?
Brother, when he come out, you know, dog. Then beat him, go, then beat him, come.
Brother, that not have nothing to do with me. Me not look she.
You know, look, she. But then say, for sure me a friend, and he tell you everything we be. Here? Come out, a 3 case they want.
Brother, me no business about no man, you know.
A 3 case they want.
Yo, I pray I pass the general. So.
No, you're good.
Yeah, man. You did deal with the liquor operation today?
What kind of operation?
Yeah.
Oh, my friend. Oh, that. Me tell her, man, and me get her number too.
So she no link me yet.
Honestly, me don't know. Maybe she busy because she working or so.
No matter if she work, she link me. She check in, you hear what me have to say.
Yeah, but me not really have no control over that though. Me give her the message that as far as it go on my end.
So is she there?
I think she the home. Me not see her friendly.
Text her or call her and tell her to check in.
Yeah, me we do that for you, man. No problem.
Nah, man. General, I take care of you, though.
Yeah, you take care of me.
Means you look good, you know.
No.
You right thing, man.
Alright, me a link her for you, yeah? Alright.
Hello,
Who you?
I'm Michael. I'm here to pick up Alia.
Alia,
Yeah.
you should have the right address.
I think so, cause she tell me say are the house with the green and white
What? You just walk in, supposed to dog there right, you want?
well she didn't say no dog.
She tell you that already?
Yeah.
Okay. I should leave, man. To where can I come? Flowers?
Yeah. So, your father or uncle?
Yeah, but the flowers thing, you know, me have one cousin where he carry flowers go give woman, you know, and she find him get where you want. Flowers done with, you know.
No man, I'm not like that.
You sure?
Yeah
I
man.
hope so. Anyway, Alia,
Yeah?
somebody out here to see us, sir.
Oh, hi. Hope that you know what you're getting on trouble, you know.
Good man.
So, oh, thank you.
So, is that young man you say about?
Yes, Daddy.
Where you from?
Waterlane.
Water Lane.
Yeah.
Oh, that Water Lane there up so?
Yeah man.
No, the one down so.
No,
The
not
up so one.
yeah, one near
Oh, well.
Big Tree.
Alright. Welcome to the community, you know, but we'll probably get a talk about that still. Anyway, we'll enjoy yourself. But hear me. Curfew 11 o'clock.
Not a minute over. Make sure you bring her back in.
Alright.
In a one piece.
Yeah, man.
Yeah? And the young kids enjoy themselves.
Later, Daddy.
Alright, cool. Little laugh at all.
Food look nice, enough.
Yeah, it does. Like it.
I want a friend me have where work over here, so we just tell him if a nice little place so we can carry out.
Okay.
But we get to know each other a little bit.
What you want to know?
What you like to do?
Well, I like reading and taking long walks on the beach. I'm sing sometime.
Really?
Yeah.
You do music?
No, sing to myself in my room.
So, what make you like music?
Well, I guess I mean, I wouldn't say I don't like music. I want to do it, but just don't like too much people.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So, you have any family that does music and anything like that?
Yeah, my sister.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's actually on YouTube.
Really?
Yeah.
What's your name on YouTube?
Araya is her music name.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay. We can look you up then.
Yeah.
What type of music you do?
Love songs.
You love song?
Yes, love songs.
Okay. So, you want to know anything about me?
Yeah. Tell me something about yourself.
Well, probably I love going on trips. Like,
Okay, you like
I,
traveling.
yeah, I like traveling. I like to go to the country sometimes.
Okay.
Yeah. And I know this is kind of weird, but me kind of like anime.
You like anime?
Yeah.
It's not weird because I like anime too.
Really?
Solo leveling.
Really?
Like that. Like the one there.
You know, so I recently started watching it.
It's nice.
Mm.
Yeah.
But we just want to tell us, I thank you for the chance for me carry out, because to be honest, from the first time I saw you, to be honest, I really like it.
Okay. What you like about me?
Well, the first thing that caught my eye was a smile.
Alright.
Yeah. But since we've been talking over the week, I've been really starting to like you more and more. I really want to get to know you more.
Same here.
But your father not easy, you know.
That's so dear. He's very overprotective.
Yeah, to be honest, me think he go cool. To be honest, me frightened when we see you, you know. And he might ask me, say, who you be? I lucky think say man never come out with one machine. And come chop me up.
No. So dear, very overprotective.
Yo, how many kids your father have then?
Just me.
Just you?
Yeah. My sister now, same mother, different father.
Okay.
Yeah. And my mother died.
Yes. And again I'm sorry to hear that.
It's okay.
But let's get into the food. Because me know say you're probably hungry.
Very much. Very much.
Alright.
was nice. My belly full. And we really enjoyed tonight. We can't wait for the second one.
The second one.
Yes.
So we get a second date.
Why not?
So let's toast to new beginnings and a second date.
What is it
Okay.
that I'm feeling? At just the thought of your smile, I thought I was dreaming or swept away for a while. But if this isn't love, then love isn't true. What else explains the way I feel as I'm thinking of you? This must be love, or love isn't true. Nothing else explains what I'm feeling for you. This must be real, or nothing else is. Nothing else explains the way.
Hello, welcome to Chill Pops. Having gourmet popsicles today.
Yeah, what type of flavors you got?
Okay, so in the showcase, we have a rum punch right here, sorry, with rum, mango passion, cookie and cream, chocolate, coffee, strawberry, coconut, watermelon, lemongrass, cucumber pine and ginger right here. And we also have some in the back, which is on the menu right here, which is dragon, salt whiskey sour, pina colada, and chocolate Baileys.
Give me one mango with ginger.
No, pine and ginger.
Pine and ginger? Alright, give me one of those and what type of flavor you want?
Cookie and cream.
Okay, so any toppings on your cookie and cream? We have almonds, pistachio, chocolate sprinkles, rainbow sprinkles, coconut flakes, and Oreo crumble.
Coconut flakes, please.
Okay.
Oh my God. Why? Oh, you get so big. I can't believe you grow so fast. Last year I see you, and you get so big. Sorry. So where's your father?
Daddy, they are work.
Oh boy, I love him to take care of you. He do a good job. You know, he has always been a good stepfather to me. Boy, I wish mommy was here to see oh yeah, get big and I grow good.
I wish Mama was here too.
Yeah, I miss her so much. So I just come from the town. I had a music video to shoot down here, and I say I come down here, and I couldn't leave without coming to look for you.
I am so happy to see you.
Yeah, man. I remember when I was coming here when I was young. It's been a while, but I'm really happy to come visit you today.
So how the music thing I go? I see up on YouTube.
Why, sis? I tell you, it's hard, you know. It's a hard work, but I think I find a good team of people right now. And they're really pushing for me, good producers, my record label working with me. And you know, I really think it'll go work out. I really feel say we could putting out a new EP called Chronicles of Love. We're gonna put it out soon and we're gonna work hard. I really believe say things are gonna work out this year coming for us.
Why I really want you to know sis because the living situation yeah, I really want to come out of the community here.
What happened inside here? Why you say that?
Just the done of the community, I just want to have things in one way. Like nobody can come and nobody can go. You not understand.
I work on it too. I work on it and I tell you say I believe strongly. Say this year my year. I go boss and I tell you say the minute money coming in my hand, you come when you feel.
Alright.
Enough about me. Tell me about you. I see I get big and you grow nice. I must have a little boyfriend now.
Yeah, I talk to one guy. This really nice guy, fit for me.
Decent guy.
Yes, very decent.
Same come from this community.
No.
So
No.
how long you know him?
2 months.
I would have loved to meet him.
Yeah, I want to meet him before you go back out.
Yeah, we
Really
can
nice
do
guy.
that.
Yeah.
Because we have shooting the music video, but we're gonna wrap that up tomorrow morning. So anyway, after that we'll be free and I would love to meet him.
Yeah, you can meet him.
Alright.
Hello, my love.
Oh yeah, the done here.
Oh,
Hi.
you alright?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, lunch come here.
Oh, thank you. We are the tomorrow.
Um, we're supposed to have work in the evening.
Mrs. Study at Westmoreland
Yeah.
and would I like get to meet her.
Sure.
So you have time tomorrow?
We're supposed to do some delivery in the evening. So yeah, man, we can meet her. Because we know say always a talk about your sister.
Alright.
Yeah, but you're alright and thing though.
Yeah, I'm alright.
Alright. But we not stay too long because I got to do some more delivery.
Alright, later.
But you good for see, yeah? I'll tell the boss me I want to buy some stuff now. I want one new shoes.
Okay.
So if I need to me later,
Alright.
Ricardo.
Yeah.
Boy, yours is nice though. First time I come in here, but it's nice.
Yeah.
So you say he's coming today? He's gonna
Yeah.
meet us right here?
Yeah, he should be here.
Alright. We should definitely do this more often. You know?
Yes, I really miss you.
Yeah, man, I like it here and I love spending time with you, man.
Oh, Sima, come here.
Oh.
So, this is Araya, my big sister.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So, Michael, she told me a lot about you, you know. She told me good things. So, you're working?
Yes, I'm working.
All right. Because, you know, this is my little sister. And I really need to see the best for her. She's finishing up her training at Heart.
Yeah.
I mean, I really want a baby thing for her right now. I see the sky for her, right? So we will continue to treat her. But she did tell me good things about you still. But I told her that I wanted to meet you. right?
I understand. You don't have to worry yourself. I will do my best to give her everything that she wants. I
Okay.
really care about her, so anything she wants, I'll make sure she gets it.
Okay. All right. So, what plans do you have for yourself, though?
Well, right now, I do mostly, right now I'm working with merchandising, but I really like to do like photography and taking pictures and stuff.
Okay. Okay. So, you want to study it?
Well, I'm looking to go to school for it, but right now I'm just seeing how it goes. So, Ali, I was telling me that you're an artist. You do music.
Yeah, that's what I do. I do like lovers rock.
Okay.
I do a little bit of souls, but mostly regular lovers rock.
I've never listened to it before. I would love to listen to it.
Yeah, man, the songs are out. All of the songs are out on the streaming platforms. You have Spotify or Tidal, Apple Music. What do you normally use to listen to
I
music?
usually use Apple Music because Spotify you have to pay for it.
Okay, well, they distributed under my artist name Araya.
Alright.
Yeah, I have one album out already called Chronicles of Love, out on all the platforms, and they're on YouTube as well.
Really?
Yeah, I could pull up one for you.
I would love to actually listen to it. How do you spell your name on YouTube?
Hey, let me tell you. So you can say it's A-U-R-A-I-Y-A.
A-U-R-A-I-Y-A.
Yes.
Alright.
You seen them?
Yeah.
I want to listen to the one that named This Must Be Love.
This must be love.
Yes. That is for you and my sister.
What is it that I'm feeling? I just the thought of your smile.
You sound good, man.
Thought I was
You sound really nice, man. The song you sound like if you're on the big stage, man.
Oh, we are trying and we are trying.
So how long you been doing music?
About 3 years now.
3 years?
Yeah, 3 years now since I take it up seriously
Yeah.
and say I'm going to go at it.
Okay.
I'm going to make it, because I come here, I take her out of the ghetto.
You take her out of the ghetto?
Yeah, man, I leave her down there.
So she going to go into music too? Because I don't know if you know it though. She can't sing it though.
No, man, knows that she can sing. But, I go ahead of her if we pave the way.
Okay. That sounds really good. But it was really nice meeting you.
Same here, Michael.
It was really nice meeting you. But I'm actually going to head back to work right now. So I'll see you later, okay?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All
So,
right, I'll
I'll
just
call
be
you.
here chilling.
Alright then.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah.
What is it that I'm feeling? I just the thought of your smile. I thought I was dreaming, or swept away for a while. But if this isn't love, then love isn't true. What else explains the way I feel as I'm thinking of you? This must be love, or love isn't true. Nothing else explains what I'm feeling for you. This must be real, or nothing else is. Nothing else explains the way that I feel. Stared at 1,000 faces, but still I've seen only one. The curve of your lips and the spark in your eyes have left me undone. I heard of its power, how it makes us strong yield. But I never believed it until it happened to me. And if this isn't love, then love isn't true. What else explains the
Wait, yes.
Good.
Cheers,
It
nice.
tastes like apple.
Apple.
Yeah.
You just pick out one. The first time I taste it.
Well, like something in there. So,
The other in there. You don't realize I spark, I bubble them.
just look on it.
The other day in there. You want an apple? Want to grate them? Come. Want to try it?
Why so hard?
It's sour? No, that's sour.
Oh my god.
Want to try one in a moment?
You're not gonna catch it.
I'm not gonna catch you.
You're not going to catch it.
Why you think me not gonna catch
You're
you?
not catch it.
Come.
Me can't chew up.
Come.
Me can't. Me can't. Me tell you, me can't chew it.
Come. Come.
Me not gonna catch it.
Why you think you're not gonna catch
Me
it?
not gonna catch it.
Come.
You can't chew up.
Yeah.
You can't chew anything. You understand?
Come. So there is something that I have been wanting to tell you.
Something from please?
Not right up on your face.
So what you take off?
Because we have put something on your face.
Okay.
Alright. There's something that I have been wanting to tell you since the first time I have met you.
Okay.
So I'm going to say it like this. I wanna love you and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together with a roof right over our heads. We'll share the shelter of my single bed. Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? I'll always love you.
What is it that I'm feeling?
I
Just
really
the
love you. You
thought
know
of
that?
your smile.
Love you too, loves.
Thought I
Every day I'm
was
there on him, I
running
just grow happier and happier.
I swept away for a while. But if this isn't love, then love isn't true. What else explains the way I feel as I'm thinking of you? This must be love, or love isn't true. Nothing else explains what I'm feeling for you.
You sure say it's safe for you? Come around here, so, cause you know, say kind of not safe for coming like community since the man them my premium.
Yes, it's safe. I'm here. Come on here.
Alright.
All this girl, all kind of man this. Second time I see this man happening. Hey, daughter, look here.
What
Come
you
here, man.
want?
Want a word with you, one away.
You don't need to talk to me now. Waste me right yourself.
I say I want to talk to you one away. You look like amnesia catch you around here, and I'm boy Gungo. Give me a second, bud.
With all due respect, my brother. We good right, sir.
Alright, since you want to stay here, so I talk brawling. Hear me, I say the moms. Me done send out a one message to you, and it look like you not reach you, you know. I come like you know, my boy Gungo, you know. You not get my message.
Me get your message, but me never want to come here.
No man, I don't say it work. You're supposed to check in and hear what I have to say. Where say I carry a strange man, where you from?
I'm from Water Lane.
That no matter, you know for there so. That me I tell you, so this are going around, yeah? Around here so risky right now, you're in danger. Yeah. Now come back on a lane, yeah. You know better than that, you know. Kind of strange man you keep on my lane. Especially after I send one request to you and you need to check in. How you feel like? Hey, I know why you care about the man in there. Alright, now I think you need to turn back out of the lane, you know. Kind of humpy thing you deal with. Hey, right now, you're lucky to, you know. Usually the first time somebody meet me, I'm the last person they meet. You hear that? Check out, man. And you need to check in. What kind of thing I go on for? Filmmaker. Girl, yes, man. Matter of fact, tell Dan to link up to you. Yeah.
That no bossy.
Like right now, man.
But
Yeah, things I see are
you
going on.
can't so far no bossy.
And then I call him man for the bird, man. Call him phone, man. Tell Dan to check in. Simple.
Bossy like a this me, you know me not on the phone no.
So I'm to the phone over here.
Boss me there text my one girl and man mash up it.
Oh, yeah, I said to me, man. Yo, you see, since you're your woman, you make match up your phone. Yo, walk, go get to Dan. Tell Dan to link up.
Alright boss, me I make you link up. Which part is in front of me?
You're supposed to be in the shop.
Alright. Now walk with her go to the store.
Alright.
Make sure say alright.
Ah, good. Light me up again.
Daddy.
You're frightened me first off. What you doing here? What happened? How your face look so? How am to you? What am I call you?
Michael not do me nothing, Daddy.
So how am to you? How you look so?
A while ago, me and Michael come down and barbecue.
Who?
Barbecue.
Serious man.
Uh,
I say no want nobody. Yo, I tell you now.
he no want no man from out of the community come take one girl him. Cause he did come to me one day, you know. He did say one of my friend come to me with number, say how much he want link me and if he pull up on foot and one or something. Mom never go come, me not interested in that.
So you never tell me them something never go on.
Daddy me never want.
You never want. Look here. I trouble that spell with that man, you know. Something like this happen, you come to me and tell me, man. I saw them honesty, you know. They want the best of themselves and the worst of everybody. Him having daughter them too. I'm sure so none of them daughter now date nobody in the area. His son them a breed up a girl them in the area. And you know want no man in the area for him daughter. So what goes up? Yo. So you should tell me them something, yeah, man.
Never want to say nothing to you.
I mean, never want to say nothing. You have to take me deal with it for me. I got deal with him, you know.
No, you not forgot to him.
What do you mean I forgot him? I forgot him. I forgot hold on. Wait, I go stop. You see it? And that's the reason why I'm telling you, know. I do not want you in this community because of them foolishness here. You understand what I mean? That's what I talk about?
Yeah, man.
Eh? You see what I talk about?
Yeah.
This a hold down. All the man run him appear, rub and mingle and beg and drink and all them sitting and appear non-progressive element in a place here. And that's why I want you to come out. And say, no, I have to go talk to him. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about me. You hear me say? Do not worry about me. Me will deal with him. Alright? So Michael, you am I right?
Yeah, he follow me come at the gate.
Oh, good. I hope good boy. Well, I hope he never run left you. Yo, man. Shall no star. Well, you put on certain things in the man and you say, nah, deal with it and live your life good at them foolishness. Yo, me have a deal with him, man. Now come. Go on, let me just push him there. Go on one in front. Go on, I dream for them day coming a star. Yo, the man, they would even know and touch my family, you know, man. The worst thing you could have done, you know. Yo. What going, boss man?
Yeah, what happened?
Yo, daughter just come tell me a thing, you know.
So that have to do with me now.
Yeah, but I know say I run the place now still in a bridging. You
Yeah.
understand me?
Yeah.
But respect due. My daughter come in with her boyfriend and she said, boy, you just come and violate and I tell him, say, boy, I can't come in and all that. So what that for?
So what you said to me right now, look like you're uphold with slackness, you know, you know, remember our foreground.
Boss man, as me say, you know, I run the place. What me not understand this thing, what me want to understand is that, how comes is it that you no want nobody come in here, but yet still your daughter them not deal with no man in the community? That don't make no sense. How that go?
So you feel like you want like even up with me?
And I say,
I say me make the rule, you know, and I just follow the rule, you know.
boss man, you don't know me?
And me like the ground. I know you, yes. You are my father par.
See it there. Then what you know some boy just turn a blind eye and just deal with the thing, man. You not even.
Me I say no man. You see the little blind eye, that get out of control.
Boss man.
Yo, the rule is simple, you know, brother.
Jesus Christ.
All you have to do is just live under the rule, man, and peace will reign.
Barbecue. What me I try to tell you, say, my daughter and her boyfriend, I just one little thing make an exception. I want if things we do for your father in a boss, man.
Me no say no.
I'm cool, you know, when I'm quack. Just easy in a boss and just make, you know, not like how you deal with things. Me even like how you run the place too. I like how you move, man. I like how you run the place.
So like say you have some ideas.
Boss man, and I violate a thing, you know, as me say, you know. Zane?
Maybe you have some police friend I don't know about, you know. Your son, sir.
Boss man, that's easy, man. Zane, no need for all of this. No need.
Yo,
Zane?
you better just level the argument, yeah. Level the bag of talking. Because right now you make me a pray all corrupt, you know. You want to live in peace or in pieces.
I saw it, boss.
You been a go so from day one, you try alter the thing.
Rest my
No,
case, man.
say,
Rest my case.
Yeah.
It's alright. Don't worry yourself.
Your business, man. So.
It's alright, man.
Vibes good.
Rest my case.
How we done them, man?
You rest my case.
Last man afternoon, now. What do them man, man?
Crazy Viper. Think up.
Everything now, my dog. I didn't tell you to pull off a little operation already.
I'm not deal with the bad dog.
Well, I don't know what kind of program you say you're running, but alone, I want direct disrespect me get off of that the program, you know, because I just see you be forward in a lane with one man who I don't even know, you know.
Lie you tell.
Lie me I tell.
Come like my woman I run joke.
Right now you need to find out how that boy the dog. Because if I see him back down your brawling where I brush him, you know.
Say I try to tell me, say, girl coming at this lane.
Now this lane where we govern, brother.
With a waste man.
But that man I don't know from Adam's brother, and you I run program and program now run good, brother.
Bro, me I run program, bro. Girl just know say enough to do that right now. A problem that right now. A
Fix
problem
things, you know.
gonna cause.
Fix things, you know, Dan. Believe in a you know, Dan. Fix things, you know.
Bro, me not make nothing feel we are talk about.
Fix
Right now, me
things.
don't even know what that.
That's a direct
Stop
disrespect to me, you know. Brush me the dog, brush him brawling, you know.
This year, you know, father. Me know how you're turning.
I don't want to happen again, dog. And then our
You
father
have to
come
go
with
talk
me
to
and
me,
chat
man.
me.
'Cause right now, me are pretty different now.
Fix things, you know.
Can you
Fix
take me to
things.
joke and I'm done showing me pray and say, yo, me done want that they get today. You see me? Yeah, man. Me not run certain joke, bro. Me I deal with it.
Alright.
Don't worry your head. Me, I gonna make sure that things fix. You see it? Me have your back right through. You see it? No boy.
Do the right thing, man.
Alright, now say already now.
Nah,
No man, I go pay it right now.
Yeah, I want to hear how you go.
Alright, I dark up the place, man. Hey, girl, Ben, come here. You come here, take man to joke. Better hurry up, no, man. Yo, what kind of style thing your friend that, man?
What do you mean?
That mean what I mean. You don't know what I mean.
What you talk about?
Now tell yourself to show your friend a pre. Instead of that, your friend bring manpower ends.
Bring which man power?
I mean, right now you done mad.
First of all, me could force her to talk to barbecue. Me tell her how she stay already. And me tell her she might not be
Me
interested.
tell her to deal with it and you say I go deal with it.
Me do my best.
You say me no rate you and I love you. I told me love you, Davina. I'm gonna box it, you know. So me, hey. If your friend bring man from the block and right now you know the consequences are going
What does
on.
have to do? What you mean consequences are going on?
Certain boy not fit up on the block, a boy do on the block. Your friend come like you, low. You hear that go?
So because she turned him down when he go retaliate against her, that makes sense. Wait, look how much one in the community.
I mean, how we respond to you like girl them?
So that means you can go pick up anyone when you're ready.
You're mad, no boy we come from over son if you come over here so and get no girl. You're mad.
So wait, why you mix me up in this then?
No, your friend, we just have make you know. And he done not rate that. Anything he done not rate, me not rate.
And like a barbecue a year friend, you supposed to can talk in down, de-escalate the situation.
Talk down about what? You know see a waste man from over so come over here so for what?
This a waste man style one or you know, this a waste man style. Because what you mean by no girl can't talk to nobody outside of the community?
Benzi come like you take man for joke.
Me not take it for fool, but the people in the community supposed to have friend externally. Yeah, I tell myself somebody come in the community to one woman who not go pre them and go like no nonsense. I understand say man have a place, but I say things work. The girl free to do what she want. Everybody have them own independence.
There will be consequences here.
I'm not carrying a message.
Benz, you know my thing already, you know. And you know how I done thing already, you know. I play thing I take the thing for.
There isn't, listen, I'm sorry for some messages to go out, but there is not much you can say and do. Me can't force. Me bring across the message, you know.
Here what? I know how you deal with nothing. Me and me done with deal with that.
Deal with what?
Me say me and me done with deal with that. Where you ask me question for you know you not fi question me. I want to you. Your job today?
Just make sure you not promote violence against women because you see, me not understand how this go escalate.
Benz, you better go on in now. Just go on in.
It's
You hear me I
fine.
tell you?
What you have to do?
Yeah, come on, take man thing to joke. How old is man?
Brother, oh God.
I'm to you.
I not realize how you know.
I'm to make a look, sir.
Brother, right now, I'm stressed out, you know.
Stress out. I want.
You remember my girl who didn't see her, I take her number.
That's the one when you out the supermarket.
Yeah, where they warn me about.
Eh.
You know, say, to tell you the honest truth, me and her link from when and me and her there. But me I walk her go home and then the dance for community see me.
Brother, you really make your girl care growing at the place of my youth?
And she came around there and me said she never even want me to come and meet her. I say, yo, let me walk you home.
Yo, I already tell you about the place already surround the all round the surround. The man them serious when it come to the woman around this, brother. I'm tell you, say, you can't stray. Round this is a dangerous place. As a, you know, come from around there, what you do around there? Suppose the man them ain't kill you around there, brother. No, look what I tell you, man.
Me,
A dog eat dog around of them the place, brother.
me understand what you say, but me really care about her. So
Brother,
me can't just because I
brother,
him
let me tell you
me
this.
break up with her.
Let me tell you this. You better you make a girl go on where you go, brother, and get a girl in a one different community. Get a girl from a different community, brother. Around a 7 year kind of know where normal, brother. A girl around there bad.
Brother, me don't think me can do that, you know. Honestly, me tell you the truth, me don't think me can do that. Only thing me can really do is try to stay out of the community. Because all she want left community too, you know.
So I can never make she come a your yard. And that I did for you, you know, man.
Brother, all me did I just walk her home. That's all. And then you see we And he threatened me and her.
Brother, I could have Papa and use me see up on in a dog. Brother, the best thing I can tell us if you do is low out the girl, brother. Delete her number, leave her alone. The girl a problem, brother.
I don't think I can do that, brother. I think I love the girl, so I can't do that.
Right, the man not to meet you, man. 1 month good and chat about love, brother. I see almost 10. Eh?
Brother, I find anything little more, cause
Yo,
you just have
do you do still? Me only can't chat to them. Me only can't tell you. So if you don't want to listen to me, are your problem that day?
yo
All
little
me I
more.
tell you say, don't make because a woman you're straight.
Worm. What's that? I go on.
Yeah, he did, man.
Yeah, I know.
Why you not answer your phone, Bridget?
No say that bro man say
Look
what
on your
call me.
phone. Come like a black call my number.
Come on that man.
Come here, call
Yo,
the phone.
bro
Call
man
my
tell me
Bridget.
the same thing. I'm a phone on the pan plane, done. I same thing we just have to sort out. But you can call me again.
Check him,
Come
man.
in and sort it
Call
out.
you from win and can't get you.
Where are you?
There, man. But me know shot to find you now. So, anyway, I see you matter, you know. Why? Tell you what I go and say, you know. You know my daughter, the last one. You know, she pick up a little man where he look cool still, you know, good boy and so forth. And boy, the man coming at the year and, you know, and so forth. You know, say, Dungo boy, you know, I say I run the place I know. Barbecue. Then,
Yeah, that girl man.
the man, see you them a walk and I be a threatening thing him a go on with, you know. Threaten them to the max.
And where you do?
I go try talk to him still man to man. Cause you know, say me and you don't know, say, how we stay, you know, we are old school and everything, you know, man, and we put down them thing there still. We have to make him
Back in
understand.
the day when you know just go and slap him in the face. That's how you stay.
No, man, no, you know, so we put down certain things and people look up to you now and so forth. But, when me I show you still. Then, when I go page the man yesterday, then, the man, I deal with the most weird, you know, boss. I tell you, say, when I really look, I say, first I little boy this way. When me see what you, yo, remember me tell you, know, but yeah, what thing I know still, you know. Things might not look too pretty now because, you know, so we can't make it stay so, you know, because, man, me no in them pass down badness sitting here where film father did that and then feel say,
Yo,
come take it up.
yo, listen. Gang of 5 there said we, you know. I where there Mr. Brown man, as I me tell you. The whole crew there said we. Nothing no change. I might all but me no call. I think not the far, I might put it down there. Right like this, I'm put it down
I
there.
know all that, you know, boss, man.
So where I do?
And that's why I can link you still, because guess what? I just want to know, so when I page you, and I even call you, make sure you say your phone. And I go check your phone, make sure you say everything all right. Now when I call you,
You
know
know where I do. Me
yeah,
not
man,
fool to film nothing, you know.
Like a fleety boy that come in the place, man, and I come going like,
Can't make a thing look slow.
nah, man, yo, I look at my face, the boy then, and I say, you know, all is good enough. He would even know. He would even know. Look all him father, look how much time we get him with a
Can't
problem.
make a thing look too small, gang. Give me a sec. Give me a sec.
Yeah.
If you don't get my phone, just circle right there somewhere.
Yo, me know
say
say,
me and Tom them a link and everything.
me know say you have me back. That's how I'm sure.
Mm,
I want
you
to hack
know,
the man, when I see little damn boy, when I say, yo, look on the little old pissing tail boy, I find him a little, come turn up in my face yesterday, and I look on them thing and I say, yo.
No man, stand up on your
Man,
foot,
me
man.
tell
You
you.
don't make no boy come up in your face, you know. Look how me circle little. And my hand can't come out tight. Come in a alpha circle and I talk about badness stuff.
It's all right. You know, more I know, say, so we're good, you know. Anytime I make a call, you know where you going, you know.
There, man.
You know where you go.
Not even a rush, nothing, but just link me, man.
Damn pissing tail boy. I know me I tell you, come like me could even sleep. I just say man face me say, you would have fist him down, but you don't want things just spiral out, you know. And then little young boy, I throw all my family anyway.
You go fishing, man, go come back. Yo,
If
just...
family, I just with family make you say, me I behave certain way. You understand me?
Oh, man.
The
Yo,
family,
you
man.
fit everything, you know.
No.
Brawling, we can do it if you want.
Yeah, but I just I think about my daughter and, you know, my siblings them and so forth. See, but we just have to go do it a certain way, but me have a link up. Zane, so just look out for your call. Zane, sir?
Don't water down with you, you know.
No, man, just look out for it. Zane, sir?
My ground this year.
Everybody know that, man. Now your thing that, man.
Man, it takes so long. Why pre now? I'm there.
You say over here, son, there.
The money boy over there, man.
Where they here, look out all
What
part over here.
They over here saying they on date.
Date with the
Yeah.
same girl.
Yeah, man, with the same catty, brother. I say, yeah, be a man, Mr. Go on right now.
Yo, you are good. Lock off the entrance there. Up it down. You go there, so. Let's stay here, so. So when you come out, capture him right, so.
Yeah, man, you can't go nowhere, no.
I'm sorry, so they never have the flavor that you wanted. But then I forget upset about that.
So, I'm sorry about what happened yesterday. And now make you follow me back in our community because I don't want nothing to do. I care about you, I don't want nothing to do.
You sure?
I'm sure. I don't want you to follow me going. I don't want them to do nothing to you.
But I don't think this should...
No. You're not follow me going.
Alright. You know what I say? I love you.
I don't know what I do if nothing happened to you.
Ali, run!
No, no.
I'm going to hold him.
You are go boy. Yo, relax.
Yo, let go of that.
You are go boy, yeah.
See that bad man.
Now you contact somebody, some good financial people, and tell them so you want to run something, yeah?
What am I going to do with him?
That's what I want a coke in a...
Ali, run now!
Yeah, me tell you. You know, pay attention to one, you know. Yo, go on. I can go on. You know, Mr.
Relax
Post.
yourself, man. I'm
You know, Mr. Bad Boy. You saw man want you.
Brother!
Brother. Yeah, brother. Yeah, my brother. Come in, bud.
Come in,
Shut your mouth, man.
Daddy, then go with Michael.
What?
Then go with Michael.
Who?
Barbecue them, me and him a walk, and then all of a sudden me feel somebody grab him and he leg on my hand, and them a tussle him and them gone with him, no know where them gone with.
Barbecue!
Barbecue gone with Michael.
Barbecue, me just go chat to. I say I take it. Where they gone?
Me no know.
What do you mean? What?
Me no know they gone with
They
him.
just grab him so and gone with him?
Grab him and gone with him. Me no know what happened. Tell me how much he did want me and something to tell people them to come up with money.
I so far I take him, man.
Come up with money to get back. What we gonna do?
So hold on. So how we try this happen?
Up at the plaza out there, so.
Run on sunshine?
Yes.
In idea?
Yeah. Daddy, what we are gonna do? Cause Michael don't deserve this. We should have never make him come in our community.
Boy. Am my fault all of this thing, you know? Should do what me have to do for a long time, you know, man. Yo, anyway, me I go fix this. You hear me? Me I go so well on there. So then hold him and gone with him. Want ransom?
Want money to get him back.
Alright, you want? Just go on home. Me I go fix it. Me I just deal with it once and for all. Go on home.
Daddy, be careful, you hear?
I'm a good man, go on. I so far them think, yo, when you walk it from trouble, just come your way in the star.
So easy man run a program and get it right, yeah, so. You know, hear you. After man I tell you what go on the lane, you come give man tough chat. You didn't feel say a chalala thing, not true? So we do things here.
Brother, I don't like me the day night community. I ain't no only girl.
Oh yeah, so to me. I own everything on the lane.
Brother, there are hundreds of women in our world. If you can't get woman, just say that.
Who you say can't get me? How you talk to? How you talk to? I don't deal with it. I don't deal with it. You hear that? No way you say that.
That bad man joking, boy. I try to do that.
Careful in a youth. That man for you know. Matter of fact, when you get Jesus on the telephone, if you want your life saved, you know who have some money we can save you. You get them on the telephone. Jesus there to save life. You make sure you make a right call. Give me one number.
323 56
Talk up, man.
01 01.
Sure, and the police number you give me in a you.
Hello.
Michael.
Michael?
Yeah, man.
Where you there?
Well, you don't know important, you know. Get to the point.
They have me kidnapped.
Tell them say your life a sell.
They say my life as well. They want. They say I don't know how much. They want $1 million.
1.5.
1.5.
Yeah.
Yo, what kind of foolishness is this? $1 million to do what?
They say if you not did, they go kill me.
Yo, I'm talking to you, Virginia, man.
He say he want that.
Yo,
Yo, Virgin, I this is you too. Eh?
yo, bad man, hear me I say. You see if in life important to you, you make 1.5 reach me. I tell you how to make it reach me. I hear you, man. What you say?
Foolishness, me take your father out there in the boss. And I say you're going to repay me now, you.
Yeah, man. What you say? You want in life for buy or not? Because in life I give you right over there. So if you want it for buy, your bid. It's a bid we do.
Boss man, you nah run the place good because foolishness you do me, I tell you, say
Yo, don't make me hang up. Don't make me hang up. You see me cut off a caller?
Just tell me what you want. Talk to me. What you want? Just tell me what you want.
Yeah, the only language me understanding is you just attack my language.
What you want? Talk to me.
1.5 in a straight cash.
How much is it, man?
1.5.
Don't worry yourself in the boss. I get that, you know.
Line up here.
Yo, it's alright. Where am I feeling you?
Just line up here and then me tell you if you link me, man. I give you 10 minutes and call you back.
Boy, better mention. Yo, barbecue. Right, I boy this, you know.
Yo,
Yo.
I pray. Right now time I run out my some health, you know. 8 time life gone already. One left in the youth. Yeah, this is money, but yo. What I try to do, man? Just hurry up and pull up. Hurry up and pull up, man. Yo, Dan. Go out for the entrance. Like the boy are forward.
Yo, hide officer, youth. It's hide officer. What now?
You one there.
Boss man, you can't count.
Oh, yeah, good.
No, I'm good man. So what happened there? What's up?
This how yeah, man.
Yo, hold it, boy. Hey boy. Yo, if you say nothing man, bust one in your face now boy, what do you? Yo.
Wow. You hear what me say? Put your hand in your waist like you have a gun.
What man? What's up? Yeah, I'm nervous.
Wow, see, walk like that.
What's up, then?
Yo, so you kill yourself for the boy? Hey boy, now move. Come.
Come on, Sir Michael.
How we have another bag there? Give me this.
Give me that there. Yeah, man, the boy is strapped. Yo, you see someone an idiot.
No money in there. I eat that.
You see
Go on
someone
for
an
going now.
idiot.
Go on for going. All you a talk boy you done. Shit in your face me for bust it in your. How me for go no 1.5 million? Now idiot brother. And look how long we in the street about. You know look up at me.
You know see someone a novice to this. You don't have no use. See an idiot. But you run community. Could you? Look how easy it is.
No,
Yeah, well,
hold this.
give me this, give me this.
Hey boy. Hey boy.
Yo.
Alright, listen me now man. Don't try this now way again. Alright. Hey boy, me kill you here. Alright, make sure you have to go and pan them you know.
No man, you good
See
man
how
over
you
there,
look
man.
a rat. Yo. That's shoot one of them now man. Yo, no ramping nobody for me youth. You hear that? Look on you. Yo.
You hear me? All I come call on yourself bad man. You not bad yet. You see me? When I call, look on the little idiot operation, look there. Boss man, you know what happened?
Don't look on me.
The whole of you have to go left out of the community, you know. Zane? As of today, you have to go left out.
Come on, man.
You see what you see right there, so?
Yo,
Enough more than right there, so. I wait for you now.
Yo, come in.
People them tired of foolishness. You see me? Yo, go on. You hear me? Today, we not leave. Zane?
Come in.
Tired of foolishness, man.
Come in.
Be a foolishness not keep up in that place.
Because if you not shoot one of them,
Man.
just come in.
I don't know. Who was bad man? I'm to them boy.
I am so happy. Like everything worked out.
I'm glad to work out too.
Barbecue gone.
But I'm just glad to everything work out because I don't know what more that day for me to lose.
I talk to my sister and I tell her what going and everything. And I'm saying glad we get a barbecue come out of the community and the community no longer horrible. It's a safe place and she can look for me too.
Okay. Yeah. But this is just one new beginning for me and you. I was thinking about taking a trip to Panama.
Okay. Like that.
Hi, this is Araya Hope. I'm a recording artist under my label Rocky Valley Records RVR, and I need you to check out my music today. You can find me on all the streaming platforms under Araya Hope, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, everywhere I'm there, and also on YouTube at Araya Hope. That's AURAIYA Hope. Everywhere. Make sure you look out for my new EP coming out, Chronicles of Love. And thank you for all the love and the support.
If you never know, now you know. We not only do movies, we do any form of photo and videography service at Richard Brown Films. And if you have family members that can't attend your event, we will live stream it for you. So if you're in need of a professional video or photographer, reach out to us, man. Our number is on the screen, and you'll have a chance to meet some of your favorite actor and actresses at your event. So reach out to us, man, Richard Brown Films, and we can provide professional photo and videography service for you.
All right, so today I'm with Richard Brown from Richard Brown Films. I want to hear more about this local film producer that's making waves on YouTube with his films. So Richard Brown.
Yeah, man. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, man.
So you're doing something that is unique. You're making full-length films on YouTube. Tell me, when did you start this your YouTube channel?
It's kind of weird. I had this channel from 2011, 2012, somewhere about there. I wasn't actively posting on the channel, but I used to post some little short clips of when I was doing films, because I actually started doing movies around 12 to 13 years ago. But not knowing that YouTube was an avenue to put my content out there, I only just used to put small portions of the movie on there, just say as a place where I can put movie. But the real basis of how I used to get the movies out was on DVDs, because that's the only thing that we knew about.
Yeah,
so we shoot the movie and we burn it on DVD, and then we went into different towns and sell it. But to be honest, that wasn't really profitable, because it was just too much work for what we were doing. And not only that, but at that time, it was like a trial and error thing, so we never really know what we are doing. We just know say, oh, we have the potential, we can use camera, and we just do some work, and we just put some content out there. And we did 2 movies at that time, One by One and Carelessness, that was written by my friend Fire Us, Glenn Wright dad. Those 2 movies was written by him, so we did that 12 years ago. But as I said, there wasn't really any way to get it out and to make money from it. So what we did, we just said, no, we take a break from doing movies until we actually figure out a way where we can actually make money from this.
Yes.
And then fast forward to 2019, I met one of my brethren, and sorry, him started tell me, say, no, him I do YouTube, and him show me him paycheck when him get from YouTube. I say, YouTube I pay money. Him say, yeah man, YouTube I pay money, man. And immediately from him tell me, I go link my brethren Fire. And I say, yo Fire, you know, say YouTube I pay money. And I say, yeah. And at that time when we link him, the only person on YouTube that we could really, that resonate with us, was a youth named Fire Irish, because he had a large following and he was doing his little skit thing. So what we did, we start doing some little skits.
Yes.
But while we were doing those skits, we realized a lot of comments that we were getting is that people say, yo, we want to see more.
Okay.
How we no longer? So we move away from doing 4 or 5 minute skits to start doing 15-minute skits. And what we did was, because we had those 2 movies from 2012, we actually uploaded them on YouTube. And when we uploaded those 2 movies, them literally blew up. And we realized, no man, we are waste time doing these little short stuff. So what we did, we start working on this first full-length movie called Good Man. But how we were able to do Good Man is because we were doing those short stuff. A brethren from the US that drive truck saw what we were doing, and him reach out to me and say, yo, while me I drive truck, you know, I me watch all the time, you know, bro. But them too short, man. Them too short. And
Him say, yo, here what? I want to send him more money so we can focus and do a long one. And him send our money, come give it. And from we did that full length movie named Good Man, we realized that that's the direction that we needed to take in terms of doing full length content. And it just continued from there in terms of growing. And then what helped us to grow even more was the fact that COVID came.
Yes, and people were locked down.
Yes, people were locked down. So our main focus was just making content, making content. And even though me saying all of this, it was never an easy road in terms of just making content and smooth sailing.
Yes.
It was always a learning process, struggles along the way in terms of how to make it make sense. But throughout all of the struggles and everything, fast forward to now,
Yes.
I think for me personally, I have, how much should I put, what's the right word to use? Found the formula in terms of how to make these movies, in terms of writing, filming, and getting out these content as fast as how we get them out. Because as you know, we do one movie per week, and we just figure out how to do it. And to be honest, that's how it works in terms of getting out the content. And I can't take all of the praises and say, yo, me alone do this. Honestly, it has been a long line of people who have helped us to get to this point in terms of from the actors, Fire, Candy, Popeye, every single person who play an integral role in acting in these movies. Those are part of why we are where we're at. And you have also have some persons who from abroad who are who are die-hearted fans. Those are some of the persons who reach out to us at times and say, yo, I want to send a little thing come go on, help continue to do what you do.
Yes.
You know what I said? Those are the people who make the thing work.
And what is it specifically? What is your topic or your main themes that you make movies around?
Well, I try not to go too far from reality as in regards to how even Jamaicans do music. A lot of Jamaicans do music based on their experience, based on other person's experience, based on what they see around them. So I use that as the same type of mold in terms of this is what I do. I use what I see around me. I probably listen music, me get ideas from that. I look at other people content. I watch movies too. Because you know sometimes you can draw inspiration from different things. So I draw inspiration from just life itself. That's how I get my ideas. And I tried not to go too far in terms of ideas that people can relate to. Because I
Yes.
realize that people love to watch things that they feel like, oh, I watch a movie and I feel like I'm a neighbor across the fence me I watch, you know.
Yeah.
So that's how we do it.
Okay. And is there a certain age range that you make these movies for, or are these family movies?
Well, we try to make them for everybody, you know. What I realize is that even sometimes I go and I go to events or I go to places, I realize that sometimes some elderly people come to me, yo, me I watch a movie, shake me hand, continue to do the good work. Then we might go other places and I want a little girl or boy we are 5 or 4 come to me and say, I watch a movie, you know.
But I was speaking to you earlier, and you explained that you don't glorify that in your film.
No, we don't glorify violence, but at the end of the day, we are realistic. And being realistic, at times, we know what we're doing is art.
Yes.
And art mimic life.
Yes.
So sometimes we do put a little bit of violence in it, but it's not from the standpoint of glorifying it, as you say, but we do some of those movies. And as I say, it's art. It's not nothing for persons to take too serious.
Yes.
I mean, it's something that you can learn from, but it's nothing for you to take to heart.
And what would be your ultimate vision for your film company? What is it that where do you want to grow to?
All right, so basically, presently, Jamaica don't have a film industry. And our aim is to see Jamaica develop in that sense where people can recognize Jamaica for filming.
Yes.
So my aim is that I actually want to build a film studio.
Okay.
I want to build a film studio where I can employ persons, you know, and just have a whole
Not necessarily have to be big like a Tyler Perry studio,
Yes.
but something where it makes sense. Where you may have one like a police station, may have a post office, may have a doctor's office. So everything is on one compound. So we don't have to go nowhere else go film. We can film everything there. And I feel like part of that too will make the thing more cost effective if we can film everything in one place. And I always tell people Jamaica is full of so much talent. I want Jamaica to be a place known for film. And as I said, Jamaica is full of talent. But I don't feel like we have enough avenue to express ourselves. You know what I mean? And we have so much stories to tell.
Yeah.
So I am here to just make sure say we tell the stories and help to develop the film industry along the way. And for me personally, part of the biggest challenge that we face is finance. That's the biggest challenge we face, and we can't run around that. Even though a lot of the movies when we do, me try to spend a lot of money, but finance is a big part of how we can get the thing to the next level. Because as I said, we don't only want to just do movies for YouTube. We actually envision to touch a big screen. That's what we definitely want to do. Yep.
Well, keep doing what you're doing, sir.
All right.
Pleasure
Yeah, man.
speaking to you today.
Thank you.